In part 1 of this video series, we introduced you to the first 2 of 5 important fundamental principles of marketing you need to learn and embrace. So in this video, we're going to reveal principles 3, 4, and 5 coming up. Hey, it's Duncan here from CapitalQ Business Advisors and Chartered Accountants, bringing you our tips and tools for achieving business success. And on this channel, our aim is to help small business owners to pay the absolute minimum tax legally possible, to ensure their business and investment affairs are structured the right way, and to help them build genuine, lasting wealth. So if you are a small business owner or hope to be someday, please consider subscribing. Now, if your marketing really does suck, whether you have a marketing company or not, I hope to use this video series as an impetus for you to change your approach to your small business building. You can check out the first part of this video series by following the link below or at the end of this video. But for now, let's move on to principles 3, 4, and 5. Principle 3. Marketing and selling, for that matter, are not dirty words. They are not immoral, they are not bad, so long as you believe what you are selling provides real value to your customers. You produce a good product or service, don't you? You do the best you can for your customers, don't you? You feel the recipients of your product or service are better off because of you and your product or service, right? You feel you are providing value and enhancing their lives, even if just in a modest way. Then why on earth would you feel guilty about telling the world about what you have to offer? Why would you do anything other than shout it from the rooftops? Here is another, even better way to look at it. If you truly believe you provide a good product or service, if you truly believe your customers are better off because of you and your product or service, then you actually owe it to your customers. You owe it to the world to make sure they know about it and to make sure they buy from you. We have discussed before in reference to Naval Ravikant's ideas, wealth is a positive sum game. If you create value for your customers, including perhaps improving their health, improving their happiness, improving their finances, saving them time, saving them stress, whatever it is, and they willingly, gladly pay you for doing so, you have created new wealth, wealth that didn't exist before. You haven't taken anything from anyone. You see, there is not a finite amount of wealth and value in the world. It is not a game of takers and losers. It is a game of never-ending creation and abundance for all. To this point, Zig Ziglar says, to get everything you want, help enough people get what they want. Principle 4. Your customers only have a system for not buying, so you must have a system for selling that overcomes it. What is the first thing you say to a store attendant when asked, "Can I help you?" You tell them, "No, I'm just browsing, thanks." That is your innate system for not buying kicking in, and we all have it. It is a defense mechanism designed to protect us from being taken advantage of. And it has been honed over time by every occasion where we have been let down in life. Therefore, you must not only overcome their initial, often misplaced, self-preservation instinct, you must also overcome the pain and suffering, sometimes literal, usually metaphorically endured over years of bad customer services and customer experiences. The only way you can do that reliably and consistently and efficiently is to have a system for selling which starts with your marketing. It must be a repeatable system that can be employed regardless of variables such as who's doing it, be it you or a staff member, be it the time of year, whether the sun is shining, whether the Aussies are winning the cricket, what have you. Principle 5, same is lame. Your marketing message must stand out. We hear estimates that suggest it takes between 5 and as many as 11 times for a potential customer to see or hear about you before they take action. This is more than ever, and it's because today we are continually bombarded with attempts to capture our attention. So in this regard, if you are not sure what your next step should be, consider Earl Nightingale's advice. We introduced you to Earl when we recommended his book, The Strangest Secret, in the 2019 autumn edition of the Q Review. Earl says, if you don't have a good model for success, just look at what everybody else is doing and do the opposite. Want to take your business to the next level? Register for our upcoming event, Your Marketing Sucks and You Know It, part of the CapitalQ Business Success Workshop series. Just follow the link in the YouTube description below and we'll see you there.